Query 22, wherein the parent have said that my child is 5 years old and my child is not understanding the meaning of the words, but prompting like showing what it means, then child understands. But when I blankly say clap hands, touch your head, then child is not understanding. So when I think of this, what I understand is, now first of all we have to show the child what does the head mean, what does the hand mean, and then clapping means that action we have to introduce. So if I remember how I did it, then first I covered all the main words like hand, head. For that I have used a lot of visuals. I clearly remember, like head visual you are showing, then you are connecting that head to this head. And parent have also mentioned that identification is also a problem, like I am not able to identify. This happens with repetition, like we keep on showing that this is called as head, kind of. You show the head, picture of the head, then child's own head you are showing picture, and also written head under that. That also helps a lot, because I have seen that most of our kids are visually and remembering words. They can remember it like a sight word. Head sight word. When you show, they will remember head, they will connect that word head with the real head. And when you show in a picture, or you are showing our own head. Okay, so like that you do, and also connect it with fun. Because I many a times what happens is we do it very like we are very serious about it, and we do it seriously. And when we add a fun element, it is easy, like the child, there is a chance that child learns things fast. So you can do with rhymes also, head, shoulders, knees and toes, like that you are doing that rhyme. Then you are asking the child to touch head, then shoulder, knees, toes, like that. Using rhymes we can try. If you feel that when nothing is working, then I suggest you to start with sensory play first, because it can be possible that the child's senses are not helping him to learn anything. He is getting overwhelmed with sounds around him, touch, sound. It can be, maybe it is not uniformed, and he's having sensory issues, due to which he's not able to learn some things and remember things and take in things which he wants to understand. So please work on sensory. Take an help of occupational therapist, plus also do sensory play, which I suggest most of the time. Like, do all, when you put sensory play, you get a lot of videos in YouTube also to give sensory input in various way, various senses. Work on that. And along with that, please use visual identification, like visually you are showing things, and you are not asking the child to identify, but in the starting you are just showing him and telling him this is head, this is hand, this is. So like that, with the picture, with the real life also, not just the picture, but this is head, this is your head, see, and this is my head, this is Appa's head. Like that, connect it with real life situations. And this is my hand, this is your hand, kind of. Work it in many ways, and then you introduce next word, clapping hand. So clap is a separate word, wherein he has to first understand what is hand, then only he can connect clap with hand. So work slowly, one by one you work with all the categories, introduce the basic categories like body parts. Then there is a big list which you can cover in the starting. I will try to find that list, and will add it in the message itself. Cover that categories, then go to verbs and do the verb category, all the verbs like clapping, jumping, touching. So you can cover that. What does that mean? That also you use visuals and show it with more easy to understand, and connect it with real life and do, and it will help. So I think these things will help you.